Today we talk about how can you add title on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on primary details, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down, come here to title, and here add your title here. So when you just add it, you go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.